I would like to start this conclusion telling what I improved in these 3 months while I have done the subject of English. I am going to talk about 5 topics: writing, speaking, reading, grammar and vocabulary, and listening. First of all, I talk about the writing. After the classes, I can write with more fluency and with fewer spelling errors. Now I can write narrative essays for and against, and I also can express my personal view and opinion because in class we have practiced with the essays. I have to say that now I know how to write a book review and a film review because we had done it in the views for Mahara's portfolio. I also would like to say that in my opinion, the second version of essays have been fantastic for us because we can see all the mistakes that we have done. Secondly, I talk about the speaking. I would like to start this topic saying that the most interesting part of English for me is the speaking. In the class, we have done a lot of speaking, so now I can start, maintain, and close a conversation about feelings, traveling, illness, crime, fashion, etc. I also can give my personal views and opinion with more fluency. Moreover, I improve my English because now I can narrate a story to the class or to the children. I can prepare an interview and I can explain a topic, giving advantages and disadvantages. Thirdly, I talk about the reading. In this subject, we had to read The Witches by Roald Dahl. In my opinion, it is very good for us because we can improve our English and our vocabulary. Moreover, through the book, I could learn some idiomatic expression, and it is also good for the orthographic errors and to learn how to structure the sentences. Finally, I would like to talk about the grammar, vocabulary, and listening. On one hand, for me, the grammar is important to talk correctly a language. In my opinion, we have done enough exercises for practice grammar, and we have done the more important rules of the language, of this language. On the other hand, I would like to say that in these 3 months, we have learned a lot of vocabulary about crimes, weather, planes, personality, clothes, illness and treatment, etc. And all of this vocabulary will help us in the future. However, we haven't done enough listenings because we hadn't got time to do it. And I would like to conclude by saying that I like this course.